Hey everyone, it's Michael here from GoodieReader.com, and today we're going to unbox the brand new Tolino Epos 2. This is a German brand, and it's available in, not only Germany, but Austria, Belgium. It's sold in all those countries. I guess the big factors is that this is basically a rebranded forma, so it has all the specs: 8-inch screen, 300 ppi, waterproof, front light, as well as a color temperature system. So you can see that there's some documentation inside here. Let's take a look. So you have basically your getting started guide, shows you everything that's, how you do everything. Of course it is in German. There's also warranty guide here. It's not only for this e-reader, but for sort of their modern line. Taking it out of the box, here's the e-reader. We'll just set it down there for a second. And inside the box is a braided cable. So this is basically you hooking it up to your e-reader, connecting up to your PC to charge the device, as well as transferring ebooks. You can basically see it looks like the forma, like the manual page turn buttons right here, and give you a sense of the device here. So it's a neat little design. You can read books both in landscape or portrait mode. One of the benefits of the Tolino ecosystem is that you cannot just do business with one bookstore, but you can do business with many different ones, like Thalia, Bergstrom, things like that. We're going to be doing a comprehensive review on this on our YouTube channel. And for GoodieReader.com, my name is Michael, and everybody take care.